Basic ingredients aren't boring. If you're stuck thinking that most basic ingredients are boring, and this is what I've learnt that might just help you out. Flour, butter, sugar, oats. They all look quite boring because they're quiet. But quiet ingredients are the ones that give you the most room to play. Every great bake starts with the same 4 basic ingredients. And yet somehow they turn out completely different. Flapjacks, cookies, brownies, cake. The trick isn't to buy the fanciest ingredients. The trick is knowing how to treat those basic ingredients well. Toast those oats, brown the butter, add a little pinch of salt, and suddenly those most boring basic ingredients taste absolutely incredible. Simple doesn't mean dull. It usually means you're one tiny tweak away from magic.